Hundreds of secretariat workers in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir are staging protests against the discriminatory financial policies of Pakistan that have saturated their salary amounts. They raised slogans against Islamabad and asked to immediately step into the mounting crisis that has left their homes stripped of cash at a time when people are already enduring the blow of the inflation. Protesters demanded that they should be treated at par with the employees in other parts of the country. The demands include general incentives and other attendance allowance, which the employees of each organization receive across Pakistan. The protesters, who have also expressed their anger in the past, said they are determined and won't withdraw their demands until the justice is meted to them.
आज हम 4 दिन से यहाँ सरापा एहतजाज हैं। 1 साल से हमारे मुतालबात पेंडिंग हैं। चीफ सेक्रेटरी साहब की हिदायत पे कमेटी बनी थी सेक्रेटरी मालियात सेक्रेटरी सर्विसेज पे, लेकिन उन्होंने कोई काम नहीं किया। हमारा सबसे बड़ा मुतालबा ये है कि जिस तरह पुलिस मुलाजमीन, हेल्थ मुलाजमीन अपना अलाउंस ले रहे हैं, अदलिया वाले ले रहे हैं अपना अलाउंस, लेकिन सेक्रेटरी मुलाजमीन को उनके बुनियादी हक से महरूम रखा हुआ है। सेक्रेटरी अलाउंस नहीं दिया जा रहा है और आए रोज़ हमें तीसरे तसलियाँ दी जा रही हैं।
The issue pertaining to salary increment and non-payment of dues to the employees has remained chronic with most of the public sector enterprises in POK. And on a number of occasions, disgruntled employees have held stream of protests over the last few years, but no resolution has been reached till date. Protesters say that they are not seeking anything unreasonable and even a small interference from higher authorities will resolve their issue.
छोटे छोटे मुतालबात हैं। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म आज़ाद कश्मीर को फौरी नोटिस लेना चाहिए, चीफ सेक्रेटरी को नोटिस लेना चाहिए, लेकिन वो नोटिस नहीं ले रहे हैं। और महकमा मालियात बिलखुसूस सेक्रेटरी मालियात मुलाजमीन को सड़कों पर लाना चाहता है और ये हुकूमत से टकराव है, लेकिन हुकूमत भी गैर संजीदा नज़र आती है।
However, Islamabad giving in to such protests looks unlikely, and there are chances that it will use its security agencies to muzzle the voices of the employees. For more than 7 decades, Pakistan has not just misruled the state, but has used legislation as a tool to suppress the people of the region. While the people of the favoured and pampered state of Punjab are wallowing in luxury owing to massive economic depredations carried out by Islamabad, the people of occupied Kashmir have been oppressed to a level where they are reeling under a state of abject poverty.